out hiking today.
You're out hiking? We're just on
Yeah.
the mountain.
We're just starting.
Yep.
It was a long drive.
Yeah, it was a really long drive.
It looks really pretty out here.
Yeah, and it takes like an hour because we had breakfast in the car.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Can you hear that?
We're just gonna, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's like a river or something. Yeah, we're gonna go over to the shade, just over here.
It's pretty nice, isn't it, guys?
Yeah, we're here with our other sister and our dad. They're just over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like a really big runner. He does lots of running and stuff. So that's why he's taking us hiking.
Yeah, come on.
You know, you can play music at the back if you wanted to.
Yeah, it looks really
Guys, guess what? There's butterflies everywhere around.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. We're trying to spot a koala
Yeah.
because Lucy loves koalas.
Yeah. And do you remember, guys, that pink bird what we saw in
Snow. Yeah, Lucy likes these pink galahs. She's got a stuffed toy of them.
don't you?
I'm gonna go give the camera to Lucy so she can show you all the greenery. There's some beautiful purple plants too.
Flowers. Hi guys, I'm just running right now. Whoa, look at this, what we found.
Come on. Yeah, it looks very pretty.
Look at all these purple flowers, guys.
Do you guys know what flower they are?
I
Stay to the end. There's going to be really pretty views and stuff.
Guys, it's really pretty out here.
It's a bit steep now.
Guys, we might get to a creek.
What creek? So this is a creek?
So we walk all the way down the hill to a creek, then we walk all the way up the hill to on the outside.
So we'll be able to see a creek. And you guys will be able to see it.
Yeah, and usually, do they have moss on them? I don't know. Do they have a green water? Is that check? Check, guys, if there would ever be a green water.
You guys guess what colour is? There's a lot of this colour. And it starts with G. I want you to guys find out what it is. And then if you want, you can write me a letter what it is.
Yeah, you can comment down below. And write me a letter too.
Sometimes Hey guys, we just made it to the creek.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful?
It looks really beautiful.
It's like you're like walking on water.
How do you guys think? This one, it's like two creeks combined, but there's like a big thing.
It's the running water. Turn the camera around, it's a better camera on the other side.
Oh, this one looks nice. Be quiet, we might see a platypus.
What can you see, Dad?
There might be a platypus. But you have to be quiet.
Wait, wait, someone to see. Wanna pitch?
Oh, look what's going down on there. On the water. It's a little foggy. You know, I'm going back here to see.
You gotta say, guys, look at this. Guys, it looks so beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Looks so beautiful.
There might be some platypuses right here.
Yeah, our dad just said there might be platypuses.
Yeah, and it's pretty cool. What was that? And guys, our dad's trying, because he's going to put me in the next room, and he's just going to put some, like,
Dad, what are you doing?
Nothing some deers in here.
Why are you tying it with that?
Uh-huh.
What is that?
A cord.
is it in a knot? Dad?
It looks really cool, guys. I'm gonna also look at the waterfall. So beautiful.
Yeah, show this.
Wow, it looks like bark.
It is bark.
It is.
I'm gonna show it. You see those little holes there? It's dripping from over there.
What are you doing? Whoa.
You go?
Yeah, I just did a fishing.
Yeah, one, two.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah, did you see the awesome creek? Yeah, we're just passing by it.
We walked over it.
Yeah, we got our feet wet. Honestly, it feels good to get your feet wet. Because like it's so hot.
And the
Okay, we're just gonna go catch up to our dad. We're just going up the steep hill. Lucy keeps asking me for jelly beans.
and a blue one.
Yeah. What do you guys think? Should I give her one? Or should I not give her one?
Probably give me one.
I don't think so, because when we reach the top, she can have as much food as she wants. So, yeah, it's beautiful. So, remember when I asked you guys what I was like doing? I spotted a colour and it started with green. It started with G and it's like all over the place. It was actually, the colour was green.
Oh, but that's not really good. Stop running. Stop running, Harry.
Well, I'm trying to catch up with these guys. We didn't get to the end and my phone died. So, see you later. See you later, alligator. Don't forget your toilet paper.
So we've got to do less than one walk around the block.